Today, we're going to be learning how to open a Lloyds bank account right from your phone. It's super easy, and it can be done in just a few minutes. Lloyds Bank is a well-established bank in the UK, offering a range of financial products and services. First, let's get started by downloading the Lloyds Bank app. Open your phone's App Store, which is either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Search for Lloyds Bank in the search bar. Once you find it, tap on the app and hit the Download or Get button to start the installation process. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll be asked to choose whether you want to log in or open an account. Tap on Open a Bank Account with us. On the next step, tap on the Apply for a current account. Next, Lloyds will ask you for your consent to collect and use data about how you use the app. You can manage consents, but for this video, I will agree to all. Lloyds will ask you if you have an account, debit card, loan, or mortgage with them, so select No, I am a new customer. On the next page, choose the option that best describes your account. They will also ask you if you will regularly add money to the account. So choose your answer. To verify your identity, you'll need to upload a photo of your ID. This could be your passport or driving license, and follow the instructions. Now, you'll need to enter some basic personal information. This includes your name, date of birth, and address. Make sure to enter this information accurately. So from here, follow their instructions and fill all necessary data. And that's it. You've successfully opened a Lloyds bank account on your phone. Remember to verify your account after submitting the application. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, don't hesitate to contact Lloyds Bank's customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more financial tutorials and tips.